Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Outlook is open and you're at the mail view. This speeds the sign-out path. Once done, save any unsent drafts so nothing is lost, and then find your profile avatar in the top right or open the File menu on Windows. You do this because the sign-out controls live in those interface areas. Make sure to use the desktop app. Web sign-out is different, and prepare to follow 2 clear clicks to reach account controls. Next, click the Profile avatar or go to File, then Office Account. This shows linked accounts and settings. Once visible, choose Account Settings or the Sign Out button next to the account you want to remove. If you have multiple profiles, make sure you select the exact account to avoid signing out the wrong one. You do this because Outlook can retain cached credentials. Explicitly signing out clears them from the app interface and prevents unintended access. Finally, confirm the sign out prompt and then fully exit Outlook to ensure the session ends. Once closed, reopen the app to verify it asks for credentials or shows a sign-in screen. If you still see the account active, clear cached credentials in Windows Credential Manager or Keychain on Mac and try again. Sometimes a full restart of the computer forces credential refresh. If problems persist, removing and re-adding the account after clearing cache resolves most stuck sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.